I'm sore through my middle from laughing.
From me punching you.
From me laughing. Oh, my goodness. Well, we're fixing to do is a lime-marinated chicken wings with avocado dip.
Right.
I'm gonna need the zest, or you're gonna need the zest from about 1.5 limes.
This is my recipe.
Yes, it is.
I'll be zesting your lime.
If you would zest that lime into the chicken, I've got a blender up here because we're gonna really, really incorporate all these products good. We're gonna pour it over our chicken wings, then we're gonna let them marinate overnight.
Yep.
I'm gonna start with 1 jalapeno pepper that has been seeded and sliced. Don't get that pith in it now. You'll wanna make sure that you...
My recipe. I think the recipe calls for pith.
No, it does not.
It does. It says a small amount of pith.
Y'all, I have to...
And you're pithing me off. Get to cooking that.
All right, now I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of a cup of oil, and we're using a vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of honey that I'm just gonna eyeball. All right, now I'm gonna juice 1.5 limes. Okay. All right, now all we're gonna do is puree our ingredients. All right. Let's take a look at that.
Does it smell good?
All right. So I'm just gonna pour this on top of your wings. And this does have to marinate overnight. And you can get a...
I'll just do it with my hands.
Oh, no, don't do it with your hands,
No?
son.
What you want me to use? Pair of tongs?
Yeah, just use those tongs. All right. So, son, if you'll just toss that up, making sure they're all coated real good, and then just cover it with a plastic. It's going in, y'all. It's going in. After you handle poultry, you want to wash your hands real good with soapy water.
Y'all excuse me while I wash my hands with soap.
Well, while Bobby's washing his hands, I'm gonna come down here and pull out some chicken that I've already marinated, because I knew Bobby Deen would not want to wait until tomorrow for these.
Oh, you had some ready?
Yes. So look at these wings.
Sweet.
We're just gonna lay our wings out on our cookie sheet, and I've got parchment paper on this cookie sheet so that cleanup will be easy. Now, I noticed in your recipe, Bobby, that you put these under the broiler, and it says to broil them on each side for 4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah, this is a quick recipe.
So let's put these in the oven, son. And I tell you what, my oven really has a very strong broiler, and I'm gonna crack that because you should always broil with your oven door not completely shut.
I didn't know that. How come?
Well, because it can get too hot and it can burn it. So you want to let some hot air out and some cool air in.
Well, you don't have some ready someplace since you had some marinated already?
Well,
there's not a hot pan of wings someplace?
You're talking about 5 minutes per side. Get down here and make this avocado dipping sauce.
This is something that I don't do a lot. Jamie's really, really good at making an avocado dip.
Just turn it kind of clockwise. Now, because this is so ripe, we're not gonna have any trouble getting this out. You would just take your spoon, nestle it against that skin, come around, and just that easy, your avocado's out. Now, Bobby, add the second half of the avocado and dice us up 3 tablespoons of cilantro. All right, now I'm gonna put a little salt.
I got you some cilantro.
Now, if you'd add that 1 clove of minced garlic and cilantro, we're gonna put 1.5 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. So just that quickly, Bobby, we've got another great item to put on that buffet table. Casual dining that we love. Bobby and I are taking wonderful recipes that work for the buffet table. You know, our family loves casual dining, and There's some foods that's just meant for a buffet table. Now, we have cooked up some lime-marinated chicken wings, and I love the fact that they've not taken your typical expected blue cheese and served with these. They've made up an avocado dip. So I can't wait to dig in.
Tell me what you think. Are they done enough?
Yes. They're perfect. And broiling them has got that skin real crispy. Never eaten avocado and wings before together.
Best wing you've ever had?
Oh, Bobby. They are delicious. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.